my name is Harshu and I'm going to make vegetable stir fry. Oil I am using is coconut oil that is cold pressed and organic and is also unrefined. We will also use pure ground black pepper, which is also non-GMO. We'll also use iodized sea salt. I got one whole small-sized broccoli and cut it all into pieces. Also got 5 mushrooms and sliced them in pieces. The last vegetable that we have for the stir fry is 1 red, 1 yellow, and 1 orange bell pepper that is sliced up. Bell pepper has to be at least this size. Now I'm going to start cooking. Now we're supposed to put 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Mix it around. We have to put the bell pepper first because the bell pepper takes a while to heat up. Now mix properly and put the lid for about 1 minute. Now we have to take the lid off and put broccoli in. It's time to put the mushrooms in. The vegetables look very colorful, and now we have to put 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix well. Now we will have to put 1 teaspoon of pepper. Mix it well, and then put the stove on medium, and then close it off for about 2 to 4 minutes. Now we will have to put the lid on for 2 to 4 minutes. The foods we use today are very nutritious and healthy. I will tell you a few facts about them. The bell pepper has low calories and high vitamins. Now I will open the lid to see how the cooking has been. That smells really good. Now the vegetables are almost cooked and now we have to mix it all. Mushroom has many antioxidants and can prevent many types of cancers. Last but not least, broccoli is high in fiber and low in calories. Fiber is very good for your body. Time to serve the vegetable fry or else I will stir fry.